This is an Evolve IP quick tip video on the dashboard. The first step is to access the dashboard through your OSSmosis portal by logging into OSSmosis with your Evolve IP credentials. Once logged into OSSmosis, select the Monitoring tab, then select Call Center Dashboard. Once you are logged in, the first screen you'll see is the queue view. The queue view is a real-time reporting tool that shows the state of all queues in your environment. Down the left, you will see all the queues, and across the top, you will see all the key metrics and the agent statistics for the entire day. This is a real-time dashboard that by default is automatically refreshing with the latest information. In this view, you can quickly determine how the queues are performing today. Call volume, ASAs, abandons, etc. The current queue state, such as calls in queue, oldest call in each queue, and staffing, agents available, agents on calls, and agent status. To configure how often the data on the screen is refreshed and selecting your preferences, click on the little check mark at the top next to total queue activity. This will bring up your preference page where you can configure particular queues to view, particular columns, also display any threshold settings, send email notification, as well as set your service level definition. To refresh rate, select from the drop-down at the top. You can refresh based on 5 seconds all the way up to 90 seconds. Notify on clear gives you the ability to notify you once certain thresholds are met via email. The notification email must be set here in order for those clear notifications and email notifications to be sent. You can also hide particular columns from the view of your queue view real-time statistics. All columns can be hidden except for the service level definition. You must have at least one column available, including the service level definition, to hide. To hide the columns, simply click on Visible and put it to Hidden. If you'd like to hide specific queues or call centers, simply click on the check mark next to the call center name. If you would like to deselect all, simply click on the top check mark in the grayed area under Display. And then you can select Individual or All again. To send email notification or visible notification onto the queue view, enter the notification threshold within the columns next to the call center. Once you enter that threshold, like this one has in CC Premium has 10, you can click on Notify or select Silent. All Silent will do is stop sending you email notifications. To enter an email notification, enter an email address here and once an email address is entered here, you can copy that email down by simply clicking on Notification Email. Once the notification is met, based on these notify thresholds, an email will be sent to you. And if the notify on clear is set, once those thresholds have been cleared, it will send you another notification. To configure the service level goal for a particular queue, enter a new value in the column, select Save All Preferences, and then the new service level percent will now recalculate based on your new goal. To copy the service level down, simply click on Service Level Definition. Once you've updated all your preferences, click on Save Preferences. To drill down on a particular queue, select the orange arrow on the left, which expands the queue and provides insight about each agent. For instance, if you hold the mouse over this icon, a text description of the agent state will appear. Next to the state icon are details of how long this agent has been staffed and how long they have been on calls. Next to that are the details about the current calls, such as when it was answered, its duration, and the caller's phone number and name. At the right, you can see the number of calls offered to the agent and how many they answered, and the talk time. As you can see in this description below on our current call center. The other key view in the dashboard is the agent view, which can be accessed by clicking on this link in the upper right corner. For each agent down the left, their ACD and non-ACD phone metrics for the day are shown. To drill down to a particular agent, select the orange arrow on the left, which expands the agent and provides more detail on a queue basis. The view shows the agent's joined status of the agent to the queue. For instance, also displayed are the same call metrics for this agent inside each queue and their overall phone metrics for the day. This is a quick way to get a handle on all of your agents and quick snapshot of their performance today, plus real-time status of their current phone state. This has been an Evolve IP quick tip video on the dashboard. For more information, please visit our website at www.evolveip.net.